Hi, if you're a lawyer and you're trying to grow your law firm, here's a tip for you to think about over the weekend. How quickly can you make a decision, and what is your speed to implementation? One of my most respected business coaches talks about speed to implementation all the time. And sometimes I think, well, you do need to spend a little bit of time in fact finding to make sure you're making the right decision. And of course, that's true. But I have a story to share with you this week about the difference of someone who is quick to implement, can make a decision, and someone who sadly takes entirely too much time to make the decision. You have to figure into your fact finding your opportunity costs. Back in November, I talked to two attorneys in about the same position in different parts of the country at about the same time. They're both extremely successful, doing around $600,000 a year, but they want to go to seven figures. And they both are saying basically the same thing. I'm doing a lot of marketing, but it seems to be disjointed. I don't see a lot of synergy, and it's taking a lot of my time, and I'm stuck. I haven't gotten past the $600,000 mark for quite a while, and I want to get to seven figures. The interesting thing is, I gave a proposal to each of these attorneys that was very similar, a little bit different because they had slightly different situations, but very similar. The first attorney said, "That sounds great. Yes, I'm in. Sign me up." And she signed the contract. The second attorney said, "Yes, that sounds great. I really want to do it, but I need to think about it." So the first attorney got her marketing started back in November. In February of this year, she just told us she had her best revenue month ever. She's hired an associate, and she'd like for us to turn off her paid advertising for a little while till she can catch up with the work. The second attorney, she's still thinking about it. She's coming back to us with question after question after question, wondering how she could get her costs down, looking at every imaginable cost analysis and seeing how she could do this cheaper. Well, she's already wasted whatever savings she might have had in opportunity costs. I spoke to one of our clients this week who had a revenue goal of $150,000 a month. He just blew past $290,000 in February. What does that average out? Almost $10,000 a day. So when you think about how long you're going to think about investing in your business and in your life and in your dream, don't forget to include the opportunity cost of waiting. And ask yourself this weekend, where might I be missing out on opportunities because I'm not quick to make a decision? I'm too slow. I'm not decisive. I'm afraid. What might that indecision be costing you? And if you're really looking at your law firm as a business and as a business that you would like to grow, then decisiveness is going to be one of the keys to your growth. Just think about that this weekend.